kid pull a fire alarm to skip a test and he will regret it.
Your mom to go. I thought you were grumpy. I just told her I would have failed any test this month. All she doesn't know is I don't have any tests.
Whoa, wait a minute. Is he just thinking that he's gonna skip a test for a point for like I don't even know. Like this kid is thinking he could go to Legoland just for pulling a fire alarm? Well, for not playing a fire alarm, a taking place to Legoland, not a fire alarm Legoland. Nothing goes crazy. Let's keep watching.
You at least wash your hands first. You scaredy kid. So, watch out. We almost pulled the fire alarm.
Hey, boys.
Good morning. What you got there, Mr. Wilson?
Want to give me this? This is a surprise.
Doesn't sound good. Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz. Yeah, probably. I gotta find somewhere to get out of it. Come on, the video last time was easy.
Let me fix my microphone. Let me fix my microphone.
Huge Minecraft tournament? No way. I gotta get out of this test somehow. Here we go again. I can pretend I'm sick. You already did that like 5 times and it never works. True. Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway. Oh. Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone.
What is he talking about? What is he talking about? He's not going to skip a test or make a series of a test. Why is he going to do that? Because he's going to pull the fire alarm and skip a test and he regret it. Like, why? Why would he regret it?
Yeah, dude, that won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious she's picking me. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So when do you think you'll have it work?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting.
Alright, let me skip through this. Oh, he's gonna pull it.
Let's go. Everyone just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill. Okay? All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get updates soon. What's up, kids? Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz? Can't believe you actually did that. Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get caught. Woo! Yeah, not yet. We'll see about that.
Mikey, there you are. I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
Oh. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Dang it, I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Quiz?
Mr. Wilson? SDT Color.
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What are you talking about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby? See, I was thinking about that, bro. There's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks. Mikey, he's right. You can't just expect to always get away without being caught. We gotta look.
Okay, but let's keep watching.
Problems just makes them worse. Well, my dad says that the moon is made of cheese. What's your point?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, you can't scare me like that. Oh my gosh. You can't scare me like that. Oh my gosh.
Pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us. Yeah, and mom might even take away your talent again. You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Right.
Well,
Why would they? Why if this kid like pull a fire alarm just for a fire department? Well, just not any fire department. A fire department with a boy, not a fire department by pulling a fire alarm.
This is Captain Stoll. He's going to be asking everybody some questions today.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So, looks like it was a false alarm. That's not the first time this has happened today, so I need to get some more info. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
well, I just handed everybody some paperwork. The teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield, and then that's about all I can remember.
No, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson.
Of course. Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey, did you see it?
No, actually, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember. All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course, follow me.
You too, Mikey. Me? Why? Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So you can provide some
Uh-oh.
insight to us. Let's go.
Okay, all right. I'll be right back.
Uh-oh.
Yes, actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off.
You were?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna need more time, but I figured it out. Here we go. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
Lucky me. I mean, phew. Luckily everyone's okay. Mikey, think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here? Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom. Then I went to the bathroom.
Now with this car marshal. I hate car marshal. Ow! No! Like, I don't.
What's happening? He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room. You did what? Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true.
He is lying. He is lying about that. Oh my gosh.
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom. Are you ready, Commanders?
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint kit. Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you.
Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was the thing? Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom? Well, you see, there was a girl and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry, that was wrong.
I don't know. That all sounds a little odd.
Mikey, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble. I'm telling you everything I know, I swear.
Principal,
Yes.
we didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. Can you come over and take a look?
Of course.
It looks like cheese dip.
Cheese dip. You were eating cheese in my classroom.
What? No. You see, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why there isn't any prints. Use his shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey. How could you do that? Especially after all that we've been through.
Please, just don't tell my mom that I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
No, Mikey, no, I just want to play a
game? Are you serious? You mean I did all this for nothing? Mikey, you're coming to my office right now. No, please, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mikey's actually gonna come with us.
What?
Pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime. You didn't know that?
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm gonna take you downtown. Go.
Jennifer, Mike.
No, no, no. No, please.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's gonna be all right.
No. Don't take me. Let me go. What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey?
Fred, under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Hurry! No, wait a minute. Mikey, Mom! Can't explain. I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Man, seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Oh, please don't take away my tablet. And don't grab me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends. That is what you're most worried about. You should be worried about good security.
I'm sorry.
I'll meet you at the station.
Yes, ma'am.
But no.
Hold on, kids.
Please, no. I'm not going. Let me go. No. Jay, Derek, no. All I can say is, running from your problems makes them worse.
Was he dead? I know. What was he thinking? Ow. Okay. Well, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also peace.